everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of upcycled nature art. If you're looking for creative ways to turn your passion for nature into a profitable venture, you're in the right place. I'll be sharing some amazing ideas that not only celebrate the beauty of the natural world but also help you make some extra cash. So grab your supplies, and let's get started on this eco-friendly journey together. Here are some inspiring ideas for an upcycled nature art project that can be turned into a money-making venture. 1. Upcycled planters. Materials: old cans, bottles, or wooden pallets. Idea: create decorative planters for succulents or herbs. Paint or decorate them with natural motifs. Profit: sell them at local markets or online. 2. Nature-inspired wall art. Materials: driftwood, leaves, and recycled paper. Idea: assemble nature-themed collages or sculptures using these materials. Profit: market them as eco-friendly home decor. 3. Jewelry from natural materials. Materials: seeds, nuts, and reclaimed metal. Idea: design unique earrings, bracelets, and necklaces. Profit: offer them at craft fairs or through an online shop. 4. Upcycled furniture. Materials: old furniture pieces and natural finishes. Idea: refurbish and decorate furniture with eco-friendly paints and stencils featuring nature designs. Profit: sell them through online marketplaces or local galleries. 5. Nature-themed greeting cards. Materials: recycled paper and natural elements, flowers, leaves. Idea: create greeting cards with pressed flowers or leaf prints. Profit: sell them individually or in sets. 6. Eco-friendly textiles. Materials: old clothing or fabric scraps. Idea: make tote bags, cushions, or wall hangings using natural dyes and upcycled fabrics. Profit: market them to eco-conscious consumers. 7. Seasonal decor. Materials: pine cones, twigs, and other natural items. Idea: create seasonal decorations, e.g., wreaths, ornaments. Profit: sell them during holiday seasons. Marketing tips. Social media: showcase your creations on platforms like Instagram or Pinterest. Workshops: host workshops to teach others how to create their own art. Collaborations: partner with local businesses or eco-friendly brands for exposure. These ideas can not only generate profit but also promote sustainability and creativity. Here are additional ideas for an upcycled nature art project that can be monetized. 8. Garden art installations. Materials: recycled glass bottles, old tools, and metal scraps. Idea: create whimsical garden art, like wind chimes, bird feeders, or sculptures. Profit: sell to gardening enthusiasts or local nurseries. 9. Natural dye workshops. Materials: plants, fruits, and fabric scraps. Idea: teach workshops on how to create natural dyes and upcycle fabric into art pieces. Profit: charge for classes and sell dyed products. 10. Upcycled home accessories. Materials: glass jars, fabric remnants, and corks. Idea: make candle holders, storage containers, or coasters. Profit: market through online platforms or artisan markets. 11. Nature-inspired mosaics. Materials: broken pottery, stones, and reclaimed wood. Idea: create mosaic art pieces featuring nature themes. Profit: sell at art fairs or online. 12. Upcycled birdhouses. Materials: old wood, metal scraps, and paint. Idea: build decorative birdhouses from reclaimed materials. Profit: offer them at local craft fairs or online. 13. Recycled paper art. Materials: old newspapers, magazines, and cardboard. Idea: create intricate paper sculptures or wall art. Profit: sell as unique home decor items. 14. Nature photography with a twist. Materials: natural elements combined with photography. Idea: photograph natural scenes and overlay them with upcycled materials. Profit: print and sell as art pieces or cards. 15. Eco-friendly party supplies. Materials: recycled paper, fabric, and natural decorations. Idea: create biodegradable party supplies like banners, table settings, and party favors. Profit: sell to event planners or directly to consumers. 16. Themed subscription boxes. Materials: various upcycled items. Idea: curate themed subscription boxes featuring upcycled nature art and DIY kits. Profit: offer subscription services for monthly deliveries. Marketing strategies. Local collaborations: partner with eco-friendly brands or local artists for cross-promotion. Online courses: create video tutorials on your projects and sell them. Pop-up shops: organize pop-up events to showcase and sell your work. These ideas can help create a sustainable business while promoting creativity and environmental awareness. Thanks for joining me on this creative adventure today. I hope you found inspiration in these upcycled nature art ideas and feel motivated to start your own projects. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more eco-friendly content, and share your creations in the comments below. Remember, every small effort counts when it comes to protecting our planet. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.